Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here at Prosper. Now, Prosper is a peer-to-peer lending platform where you can lend people money for interest depending on their credit rating and various scores. It calculates a loan that they could get. So let me show you an example. I have some money to reinvest. You guys should go check out my last video on Prosper. It's a little more in depth, but this time I'm going to be covering how I select my investments now. So I update. I don't do the automatic investing anymore. I just do it manually because that's what I like doing. So here I'm going to sort by credit rating. All right. You can see AA, super awesome. Okay, let's take a look. Amounts 12,000, yields 5%. They're pretty sturdy, pretty stable. Pretty much guarantee almost that you're going to get your money back. But 5%, pretty low yield, right? Prosper scores maxed out at 11. Awesome FICO score. Income's okay. You can see had a little issue with delinquencies. Nothing in the last 6 months. Open lines of credit only 8. Total credit lines 12. Not bad. Very low. Debt to income 40%. That's pretty good. All right. So let's go to the opposite end of the spectrum. All right. Let's go with the highest yield possible. $9,000. You can see the historical return is 3.86 to 13.31 because many people default because of their poor credit. Okay. So you can see some of the stats. Some people are willing to take the risk. But here we go. Prosper scores 3. FICO scores actually pretty decent. Usually it's in the 600s with this kind of loan. Stated income could be an issue. Okay. New Hampshire. These aren't available, so that's not a good sign. So I would steer clear of this loan. Okay. Okay, red flags are they can't attain the number of delinquencies and stated income. I know it's probably not the right bias to have, but Prosper scores 13. You might not get your money back. All right, so here's what I try to do. I sort on yield, and I shoot around 11%, 12%, and that puts me in about a B category typically, which is pretty good. Okay. Now I'll see, okay, this one, there's a couple B's. I could go 11, 11 and a half. A is 10, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's only 6,000. I might check that one out. Let's check that out. All right. Historical return, not so good. Debt consolidation. Percent funded, pretty high because it's a A-rated dude. Prosper score is good. FICO score is good. Again, stated income, not the best. Oh, on public record. See, that's the red flag for me. Nope, I don't like that. I can't do it. That's probably why. Throwing that flag. So, yeah, that's tough. That's a tough one. Alright, I could either go a little lower or a little higher. Let's check this one that's a little lower. A little lower out. Okay, so it looks okay. Let's check out the borrower. Prosper score 11, FICO score awesome. Self-employed executive, interesting. Stated income, pretty good. That's pretty awesome. Why does this guy need a loan? Ooh, inquiries in the last 6 months. Okay, delinquencies in the last 7 years, 1. Oh, here we go. Total credit lines, 32. That's a lot. Revolving credit balance, 34,000. It's huge. So this is not as good, potentially. Though, almost worth the risk. 10%. A credit rating, doesn't want to destroy his credit score by defaulting. Monthly payments $257 is pretty reasonable for such a huge income. So it's not bad. All right, and he's going to pay taxes with it. Wow, man, taxes must be pretty bad over there in New Hampshire. Interesting. All right, I'm not so sure about that one. Let's keep going. That's what else we got. That's why they were marginal ratings. All right, I go to AA, but the yield drops yet again. But it's almost guaranteed. 15,000 home improvement. A lot of people have been doing that. All right, see if this checks out. $323 a month. Prosper score is good. FICO score is good. Occupation is not stated. And stated income in Texas. Ooh, I don't know. Public records. Okay, I guess. Total credit line is 23. Revolving balance 9,500. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, it's like debt to income's 20%. It's not terrible. Okay. Okay. I might go for this one. What do you guys think? Think this is a good risk? I'm going to add this. All right. So I can do 2 with $59. I can do $25 each. I'm going to go a little higher risk on the next one. I'm going to go with a B. Let's go with a B just before C. See what that looks like. So here they're doing a debt consolidation, so you have to keep that in mind. All right. Ooh, monthly payment $477. That's high. So with that kind of payment, I'd want this guy to be making $100K. Prosper score is 8, which is high. FICO score is pretty good. Occupation not stated. Income's 25 to 50. That's not good. That's not good. Oh, here's another red flag. Public records aren't available. Nope. Credit line's 30. Nope. Okay, let's try something else. All right, let's try the lowest risk B yield. How about that? 11. All right, now this one is for debt consolidation. Keep that in mind. All right, pretty good. Once again, monthly payments $500 a month. That's kind of high. Good scores. Income is pretty decent. You could probably afford $500 a month if they're going to pay off other credit card stuff. Ooh, red flag, not available. Delinquencies. 48 credit lines. Nope, not doing that one. Alright, this doesn't look good for the home team. Alright, let's go to the next B. 15,000 for a vacation. I'm not sure I'd be borrowing money to go on vacation, but whatever. Not going to judge. Prosper score is kind of low. FICO score is not terrible. Income okay. Stated. Not verified. Okay, this is good. Delinquencies decent. That's a little red flag here in the last 7 years. Not great. This looks pretty good, actually. I like this one. Credit line's 5, revolving balance 151. This guy could just use a credit card to go if he wanted to. This rate. At 12% though, that's probably better than the credit card. And he's going on vacation. Let's hope he comes back. Alright, wants to pay off his debt. Alright, so now we add these two. We're going to say 2 added. So now we have $50. We have $59 available, so we're going to do a placeholder. So I just invested in those 2 notes, and now I'm done. Now we can go back to the account, go to my account, we can see all the investments that I have. Alright, you can see all these, they all look pretty good right now. Those little people, that's a co-borrower involved. See that little people symbol? It's cool. That's even more secure. Okay, So they're non-delinquent currently. That's good. Inactive. There's a few, I guess. Oh boy. Yeah. Alright, anyway. They paid a bunch off and they eventually go into inactive status. That's fine. Alright, guys. Tell me what you guys think about Prosper. Do you guys use Prosper? Do you like Prosper? Have you heard of Prosper? It's good for peer-to-peer lending. So I'm helping out the fellow man. Helping out somebody who's in need. So it's good, right? So I'm doing my part to help out. And making some money to boot, hopefully. We'll see what my yield looks like in a little bit here. Initially, I wasn't picking real good ones, so my yield was not great, because a lot of people were defaulting. But now, I think I got a good handle on it. And I think I know what I'm looking for, and track record is looking pretty good, if you guys can see. Alright, all these are current. They look pretty decent. There's a couple E's left over from my early days when I was saying, hey, let's get the max profit. Let's get the max interest rate. See what happens. So, a bunch of them failed, and there are some that are still hung out. So it's good. So they make up for the other ones. Alright, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this new banking concept. It's pretty cool. Alright, it's just another wealth building technique. So be sure to subscribe for more wealth building techniques on my channel and YouTube. And be sure to smash that like button so we can get the word out there on Prosper. So we can get more people funded, and we can get more people loans, and we can loan more money, get better rates, and hopefully get some better borrowers. Alright, guys. Once again, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.